Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zapier triggers for lead routing, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. Navigate to the Zap section in the left-hand menu. Identify the Zap you want to restore triggers for. Click on the name of the Zap to open its settings. Check the current status of your Zap to ensure it is turned off. Locate the trigger section within your Zap settings. If there's a problem with the trigger, it will be indicated here. Click on the trigger step to edit its configuration. Review the trigger settings to ensure they match your intended use. If necessary, reconnect the trigger app by clicking on the Reconnect option. Follow the prompts to authenticate the app and grant necessary permissions. Once reconnected, test the trigger to ensure it is working properly. Look for the Test Trigger button and click it. Wait for the test to run, and confirm that you receive the expected response. If the test is successful, click Continue to save the trigger settings. Next, examine any filters or actions connected to the trigger. Adjust any necessary settings for filters or actions if they seem incorrect. Once all adjustments are made, turn the Zap back on. Consider running another test to confirm everything is functioning seamlessly. Monitor the performance of your Zap to ensure triggers fire as expected. If issues persist, refer to Zapier's help documentation for troubleshooting tips. Remember to revisit your Zap settings periodically for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.